kids, and today we're gonna be doing some more toys like we always do.
No magic tricks.
What? Nope. Okay, fine. We'll do magic
Okay, so I'm
tricks.
gonna start first with mine. Oh my god.
Dang! Already failed.
Okay, I'm gonna start it again. I'm gonna take my hat off. Oh my god, I keep on forgetting. Okay, and I'm gonna choose my favorite. I'm gonna choose my favorite kind of lollipop. So I think I'm gonna choose
Red.
red. Okay, you choose red. Okay. Okay. And I'm gonna show it.
Can I have that lollipop?
No.
I wanna lick it. Lick it tongue. Lick it tongue. Okay, now it's my turn. Now give me one.
No. Okay.
Then give me the stick.
So now I'm gonna do my favorite kind of color, purple. Pretty bubbly bit. Purple. Purple. Yay!
Oh, can I lick that thing? Like a tongue.
Now
Lick a tongue.
I'm gonna.
Now it's my turn.
What kind of favorite color?
Blue.
We don't have any blue lollipop. I don't know.
Then give me a green, turquoise lollipop.
Are you kidding me?
Yellow.
Okay, fine.
You should just give me a blue one.
Yellow.
Can you give me a yellow lollipop then?
Nope.
Okay.
Okay. What
Green.
Bibbidi bobbidi bit.
Not that interested.
Bibbidi bobbidi.
Gosh. Now it's my turn. I have one. Okay, now it's my turn. You see this fluff ball? I'm putting it in here.
Ow! Why did you hit me? You did a baby.
Okay, this is gonna melt down my hand. This is gonna melt down my hand. So can I have the stick and do abracadabra? Abracadabra. What?
That's really bravo!
Do you have any more tricks? Oh yeah, you're poor. Yeah.
Where is that little dude?
Well, I guess I'm gonna do my second trick.
No!
It's my turn to do my second.
No!
Okay.
Fine, your turn.
Can I have the hat though? I'm gonna be doing this card trick with Sofia. Sofia, I'm gonna need your help for this.
I'm looking for something.
1 hour later.
There it is. Found it.
What? 24 hours later.
Got it. I know it is.
Nice trick. I think I like that trick. Sophia, now it is my magnificent turn, and I'm gonna need your help, Sophia. I'm gonna need your help, audience.
I want to show. First, I
GoPro,
want to show you guys.
discovery
how to do
camera,
it. Hey.
not on. It was not on. One sec. GoPro tripod. It wasn't like it was backwards. So it's now my turn. Sophia, why do you have to be annoyed? You have to do this on camera. Now, I'm gonna need your help. I'm gonna be shuffling this deck. Remember that like little card trick?
Now that card trick, yeah, it's really boring.
Yeah, but this one's gonna be way easier for me. And way harder. Show it at me. If you do, we're not gonna play anymore. We're not gonna do any more.
I got it.
Put it on the top.
Can I just show the fans?
Yeah, show the fans.
Close your eyes.
Okay, are you done?
Yep.
Okay, now give me and put it on the front.
Sorry.
I'm gonna be getting it right. Watch. Are you recording? Is your camera recording?
Yes.
2, 3, 4, 5. Is this your card?
How did you know that? That was actually my card.
7 of spades.
Can I try?
No. Okay, we are done. Bye-bye!
Oh, my.
So we're gonna end the video right now, but first we're gonna do scale of 1 to 5. Sophia, what do you
I
find?
think it's a 2.
She thinks it's a 1. I think this is a 5. So if you like this video, smash that like button, hit the bell notification so you never miss a video. Hit that subscribe button and try button. Bye. Say goodbye to that camera and goodbye. Actually, goodbye. Say abracadabra. Kaboom.